this is Mason, and today I am going to drive two trains in this episode. This Burlington Northern, I have the cars, and the steam engine with a coal truck. And I am going to be running it on this track today. It is 2 tracks long, and it's a really long ride. So first we are going to test out the Burlington Northern because it has its cars right here. I have its switch right here, and my little keys right here. So let's start. This can be really fun and really hard at the same time because these cars can derail somewhat very easily. So you also can have let me get the train out of here for a little bit. Little switches like these, and it gets the cars on. As you see here, I don't know if you can hear it or not. It is pretty hard to drive these. I don't know if you can see under there, but I will drive, and I am sorry if when I'm driving up here, if the cars will get in the way. Right here. Ooh. It's going to derail. Oh no. Oops. Well, let me just get this car out of here quickly. Right there, see it? It derailed. Oops, sorry. And I will see if I can get it out of the way quickly. Let me get something quickly. Here we go. That cardboard is me. Oh gosh. I gotta get this out. Here, let's see if I can grab it with my hands. My grab hands. Oof. There we go. I'll just leave you here for now. He will start running it again, I guess. Let's see if I can get you two. Okay. I will get you out and we will start the video again. Start the train again, I mean. It takes a lot of horsepower to get up these mountains. Oop. Nope, there goes. Oh no. Terribly sorry about this, but we may be having a little delay here. Let's see if we can get these 2 cars still, because 2 is better than none. Okay, let's start running them again. Really hope this works. Sorry for the wait. We have a lot of different engines here. We have the dummy engine right here, which it doesn't take power. It's just a dummy engine where we just use it for test drives, or because we can't put electricity in it, we just push it. And yes, we bought it like that. It just didn't break. Like I said, next we will be running this engine. I will be trying to run some other ones later in the video. Okay, I just had to fix that up a little bit. And here we go again. Okay. Oh, we lost the car. Just gotta reverse it. And reverse is a fancy word for backwards. Let's see if it did the trick. Yep, there we go. Yes, it takes a lot of work and everything to get this going. And there are little features in this, which I will be showing too later in this video. Some of these aren't mine. Some of these I just found. And I just started working with them, messing around with them. And when you go down hills like this right here, you really have to slow down, otherwise, see, I'm not even going that, I barely even have some power in it, and it's going pretty fast. So, I'm trying my best not to derail any more cars. And now we will be running the steam engine. Just let me park it over here. Chicka-bugga, chicka-bugga, woo-hoo. And here we go. Here, I'm going to show you two features right now. One of the features are these. These little things right here are what make the trains run. And you can flip them, and it will put power into the wires, which make the tracks put electricity in it. And here's another feature. These. Let me go to this one right here. This one right here. If you watch the track or this little switch right here, it will switch the track. See? And that will make the train, if you go this way, if you look at it directly, if you watch my finger, it will make the train go to this track right here. And if you flip it this way, it will, of course, make it go this way. So now we will be starting to run the steam engine, and let me flip. Some of them we do not have power in them yet, so I'll just use my little finger right here to flip it. And I don't know if I will start running it. This is the power I will be using now. Yes, this is how you run them. You flip it, and they will run. Let me change the direction quickly, and off we go on a brand new adventure. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Okay. Oop, sounds like we lost a car. And yes, if you do lose a car and you cannot reach it, you should slow down and wait till you... Oh, wait, it's just that wheel. That wheel's not important. No. Yes, I am terribly sorry before with the Burlington Northern derailing. Let me fix this little mini car in the front of the train. And next, I will be running wait, wrong switch. Next, I will be running this train with no cars on it, because it seems like cars are getting on my day. And plus, I'm running low on cars. But I will be playing I don't really know for sure, but I may be playing maybe one car. Okay, if you can still see it back there. Okay, I will be stopping it right here. And I will take you, and I'll put my little Union Pacific on. Well, actually, let's do this. Let's put you in an empty place where your cars are, because you did it. Oh, no. He derailed sadly. Do 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 do. Meow 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 meow. There we go. And now I will be taking this. And next, I may run another one. It depends how much time I have left. I will be running this one pretty fast, because I know I have been running some really slow these days. So this one I'll start running fast. And then, sorry if it's really loud. you can't go too fast on some turns because, oop, must have derailed or something over here. Let me give it a little tug up. Okay, if you watch down there, I will be running it really fast. Okay. And there we go. And since it went so fast, I will run this again. Here we go for the fast part. Okay, and that is all. Thank you for watching, and remember, please smash that like button. Bye.